Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to run a one-way independent ANOVA test with multiple comparisons. So first let's go to our data set. I've got my rugby data set here, and the first thing I'm going to do is go to Analyze, and then Compare Means, and then One-Way ANOVA Test. And then for my dependent list, I'm going to put the number of injuries in there, and for the factor I'm going to put the opponent team. And then I'm going to click on my post hoc test and click Bonferroni and Game Towel. Then after that, I'll select Continue. And then we're going to get some descriptive statistics. So I'm going to click Options, Descriptive, and then Homogeneity of Variance. I'm going to click Continue. And then I'm going to go ahead and click OK and run my test. As you can see it, my output box is here. So first we're going to look at the Levene's test, which is a test for our homogeneity of variance. And we can see right here that based on the mean, our significance is 0.008, which is less than 0.05. So we conclude that the homogeneity of variance has been violated. So this means we'll go down here and look at our Game Towel test instead of our Bonferroni test. So we'll go ahead and just ignore the top part right here and go to this area. And as we can see, our first question is going to be, did Tonga cause more injuries than the other teams because the value, or did Tonga cause more injuries than the other teams? And we can see that Tonga actually did because the values are less than 0.05. So you can see Tonga versus Japan is 0.001, and that's less than 0.05, so it's significant. Tonga and Wales, it's less than 0.001, so that's significant. And then it's 0.014 against New Zealand. So we can say that Tonga did cause more injuries than the other teams. Our second question is going to be, did Japan cause more injuries than Wales and New Zealand? And we can conclude that Japan did not cause more injuries than Wales and New Zealand because the values are greater than 0.05. So if we go to Japan right here, we can go to Wales, 0.498, and 0.615. That's greater than 0.05, so that's not significant, which means that Japan did not cause more injuries than Wales and New Zealand. And our final question is going to be, did Wales and New Zealand inflict about the same number of injuries? And we can conclude that they did. And I came to this conclusion because you can go right here to Wales and see New Zealand, and it's 1.000. And you can also go to the opposite to New Zealand and then Wales, and it's 1.000, which means that they did inflict about the same number of injuries. So that's how you run the one-way ANOVA test with the one-way ANOVA test with multiple comparisons. And I hope that was helpful, and have a great day. Thank you.